নমস্কার, আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত। সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার আজকের এপিসোড নাম্বার 88. 88 is on variety of katha in various fabrics like tussar and then also in Bangalore silk. So silk and tussar katha, reverse and nokshi plus with along with tie and dye. So we'll be showing you variety of these kind of hand embroidered katha. It's a pride of Bengal, so please keep watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and we are shipping regularly. Episode 88, product number 1, pure tussar with hand embroidered katha in hibiscus. Diagonal katha from the pallu, the all over work will be there, and from yoke part the diagonal embroidery will come. This is throughout work. Few things you have to keep in mind, since I make mostly all over katha including these diagonal kathas. The pallu part, since it's all over work, the width will be slightly lesser than the tuck-in part. So the tuck-in, it's easy for you, it will be the full width, but there is bit of shrinkage. See, I'll just show you closely. Little bit of fabrics get inside. There's so much of intricate embroidery, so these kind of little bit of fabrics get inside the stitches. So in that case the width is reduced a bit, but then in the tuck-in part the full width is there, number one. Number two is those who are very tall, you can just add a extra fabric. This is the blouse piece. You can add extra fabric in the tuck-in part if required. So this is the sari. Product number 1, tussar katha 7800, 7,800 rupees. Product number 1. Product number 2 is rose embroidered, similar one. The previous one was in jaba full, this is in golap full. আঁচলের দিকটা পুরোটা কাজ, yoke part থেকে diagonal পুরো কাজটা আসছে। ক্লোজলি দেখুন, শেডিং অফ দ্য ফ্লাওয়ার, গোলাপের কাজটা দেখুন, পুরো ভরাটি কাজ, পুরো ফিল্ড আপ ওয়ার্ক, hand embroidered. And another thing, there are few things that you have to keep in mind. Another thing is, these takes months to create, and you know the karigars, the girls and the women in the family mainly do this kind of work during their spare time. So this kind of work, after finishing we have to wash it, since it takes many months to create. So they wash it in the fields, and also there are little mud marks or little the xerox that we xerox the motifs, so those marks may be there, so you have to compromise with those. Very minimum definitely, because after wash those go away, but 1 or 2 marks may be there, so you have to compromise with that also. Product number 2, machine work doesn't have those, since it's handwork. So, and being created by these girls for months, it takes time, and there is definitely the drying part is there. This is 7500 in pure Bangalore silk, 7,500 in Bangalore silk, traditional katha. The work done in monotone in white color. Now there's another thing, we use the frame, tightly they use the frame, and then little bit of it's not there in few of the saris there are little stretching of the fabric, so that is not a defect, that's an effect. I mean that comes with the stitches, the fabric little smudges. So but that's not a problem, nothing will happen to the product, it will not tear from there, so be assured with that. This is the pallu part. This is the sari. This is the border of the blouse. খুব সুন্দর কাজটা, পরিষ্কার নিট কাজ, 7500 rupees. এটা 7500, product number 3. Now comes product number 4, again another traditional katha in Bangalore silk. 7500 in navy blue color. See the work. Closely I am showing you all the work. Please take the screenshot of the product and message to any one of the number provided. Once we confirm your booking, you will be paying it to a business account. It's a current account, and proper GST will be provided with each of the product. And then we'll courier it. Cash on delivery possible only in Kolkata, other than the lockdown period, and the other throughout the other states we will be sending it via courier. International shipping are also done. We ship worldwide. So those who want additional services like blouse stitching and all, that can also be provided to them. This is the sari, 7500 in a dark navy blue, Bangalore silk katha. This is the close of the guri ran, the body part, and this is the pallu part. This is a woven sari. See this part, it's woven. Closely I'll show you. This is a woven sari. It looks like katha, but it's a lovely woven in pure silk. This is the woven sari. What I've done, I've just done in the pallu part. The embroidery is done in pallu parts. Geometric katha, multicolored geometric katha. The body I've left it as it is. It looks very smart, where you don't need to wear so much of work, who doesn't want too much of work, but a very smart looking look. Then comes the blouse piece. The blouse piece, the sleeves and the back. See, I was telling you about the framework, right? See, this is showing a bit of frame. See, this part will be there. So it doesn't, I mean, it's just very minimum, and you have to, it doesn't look bad, you know. It doesn't show at all. This is the blouse piece. This is the sari. Product number 5, 7500, 7500, product number 5. Now comes product number 6. Tussar, hand painted with Nokshi katha. It's a slate color, I mean you can say a charcoal black color. Look at the work. Every painting is filled with Nokshi katha. It's guri ran katha. Throughout the work is done. The pallu, lovely floral pallu, and then the body. It's pure tussar silk, slate color blouse piece with the border. We have 2 branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19, and the other branch is this branch, 12 Jamil Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. We ship worldwide, and we have different variety in both the branches, so you can please visit. As I said, cash on delivery possible only in Kolkata, outside Kolkata via courier. Even international shipping we are doing regularly. This is the sari, it's in silk. Pure silk with Nokshi katha, acid paint. These motifs are painted and then embroidered. border pallu concept in leaf design only. Very smart color combination in pink and grey. Pink, grey, green combination. This is the blouse piece border. Very rich looking. And the price is 8500, 8500. Once again, let me show you. 8500. Once again, the work. Product number 8. This is a stunning piece done by my main karigar. Just see the work and the concept. Mainly the pallu, 9,950 rupees. See the pallu, every woven stripe has been filled with work and so many colors have been used, especially the border. See the border. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So many colors have been used in the border and such intricate work. Pure silk, pure Bangalore silk, heavy quality. The pallu. It's an awesome piece. Actually, the body will be full work. This is the body. This is the blouse. Blouse again in stripes with the border. This will actually be an owner's owner's pride, neighbor's envy. Now comes product number 9. Again, pallu blouse piece concept in purple. Pallu, floral all over katha, heavy pallu, body absolutely woven. Like I said, I just left it the natural, beautiful woven silk sari. And the blouse again will be in geometric katha. Very smart looking sari. In case I miss out the prices, it will be all mentioned in the description part. 7990. You just have to click on the description part plus the screenshot. If you take the screenshot, please take it along with the price and the details that is mentioned, so that it will be easy for me to understand. You have to take the screenshot, not via phone calls, only WhatsApp messages. This is another beautiful dual tone woven sari with threadwork pallu, hand embroidery. Everything is hand embroidered. 7990, hand embroidered. See this is a lovely combination. It's a mustard purple dual tone. and you will love the blouse piece. See, you know, you can make it with, you know, a bit a top style blouse, so that you can wear it with your other skirts and all also. Beautiful blouse piece. All these products will be uploaded in the Facebook page also. The link is already provided. Just click on the picture, click on the icon, and then you will see the Facebook page link and also the Insta page link. So more products will be uploaded there. Regular notifications of the next episode will also be uploaded in the Facebook page. Check out our WhatsApp statuses in the numbers, the showroom numbers. You can check out the new products in the WhatsApp statuses also. So this is another Bangalore silk border pallu, broad border, double border. Beautiful embroidery in jet black, multicolored paisley work. The pallu. Beautiful embroidery. Very smart design. The whole sari will be in this concept. And the blouse piece will have the single border. Both the borders are double border, but the blouse will have single border. You can use it on a rani color or a magenta color blouse also if you want it contrast. Very rich work. Now, 8,800 rupees, product number 118800. Now comes a lovely purple color in Bangalore silk, dark magenta color, purplish magenta, 8,500, product number 12 in reverse design. Very closely I am showing you the work. Just take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp to the number provided. Once we confirm, you will be paying to a business account and you will get it with your GST bill. All single piece and no repeat orders will be taken for these kathas. So these are all single piece products, first come first serve basis. This is reverse katha in pure Bangalore silk, dual tone with only yellow and white thread work that has been used. Now here comes the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. It will have a sleek border. খুব স্মার্ট কম্বিনেশন এটা, একটু অন্যরকম, মাল্টি কালার থেকে ছেড়ে একটু অন্যরকম রিভার্স কাঁথার ওপর ফ্লোরাল মোটিভ, আর যেহেতু একটু ভরাটি কাজ, অনেকটা কাজ যাচ্ছে এটার মধ্যে। আর আমি আবার দেখাই আমাদের কাজের ক্লোজ আপটা, আপনি দেখুন কত ভরাটি করে ক্লোজলি কাজটা করা হয়েছে এবং পুরো মানে একদম মানে ক্লোজ আপ ওয়ার্ক, মানে একটু গ্যাপ নেই, পরিষ্কারভাবে মোটিভগুলো বেরিয়ে এসেছে। এবারে কিছু দেশি তসরে এক্সক্লুসিভ কাঁথা দেখাবো, যেটা টাই অ্যান্ড ডাইও করা হয়েছে। প্রথমে কাজটা আমি ক্লোজলি দেখাই। খুবই ভালো লাগে যখন কারিগররা এত সুন্দর কাজ করে, আপনারা অ্যাপ্রিশিয়েট করেন, খুবই ভালো লাগে। মানে ওদের যে খাটনিটাও সেটার একটা ওরা মানে খুশি হয় যে টিভিতে দেখানো হচ্ছে, মানে সোশ্যাল মিডিয়াতে দেখা হচ্ছে, ওরা দেখে, ওদের পাঠাই, আমি ছবিগুলো পাঠাই, আপনারা যা যা বলেন কমেন্ট করেন সেটা ওদের জানানো হয় এবং ওরাও খুব উৎসাহ পায় আর কি। এটা হচ্ছে পুরো কাজটা চারকোল ব্ল্যাকের সাথে একটা পিঙ্ক কালার কম্বিনেশন ডাই করে গেছে, তার সাথে পুরোটা সুতোর কাজ করা হয়েছে। কাজটা পুরোটাই পাড় ধরে, চওড়া পাড় ধরে যাবে। আঁচলের মধ্যে যেরকম ভরাটি কাজ, ব্লাউজের মধ্যে একটা স্লিক বর্ডার দেওয়া হয়েছে পিঙ্কের ওপর, স্লিক বর্ডার, অল ওভার বুটি তো আছেই। Very smart looking combination in tie and dye pure desi tussar katha, hand embroidered, and with the comments that you keep sending, I definitely forward it to my karigars, and they really get the inspiration to do better work. Lovely piece. Another desi tussar. This is a lovely piece. It's absolutely a fish motif design, fish design. In dyed katha, dyed tussar. I'll closely show you the work. The combinations are very earthy colors, lavender and grayish mauve color. 9,800 rupees, 9800. The body has been dyed red. Very heavy quality tussar with slate color blouse piece, and the natural border will also go. Product number 15, black and rust. Now this is another neighbor's envy, owner's pride. This is, just see the work. Dyed, natural dyeing, charcoal, black and rust color combination, and look at the work. Just abstractly these have come out, asymmetrical flowers from the border. It looks as if it's an applique done, but it's absolutely hand embroidered in katha. I'll closely show you the border, the work, pallu, and the sari. It's a real beauty. First time, I mean, this has just come out randomly. It's beautiful, see? And the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. In case I miss out the price, 9800, you will be seeing it in the description part. Another fish katha in desi tussar. See the lovely work in the pallu. It's Nokshi katha. And the base color is so gorgeous. The lovely bright purple color, magenta purple color. And with this combination, this is really looking, striking out. Striking combination. একদম নতুনত্ব কাজগুলো হয়েছে, আশা করি আপনাদের ভালো লাগবে। যদি ভালো লাগে কাইন্ডলি লাইক, শেয়ার এন্ড সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন, একটা কমেন্টস ছেড়ে দেবেন, আর মেসেজ করুন যা যা আপনাদের দেখতে চাইছেন। রেগুলার আমি কিছু না কিছু নতুনত্ব জিনিস দেখাচ্ছি। এটা ব্লাউজ পিসটা দেখাচ্ছি, যা যা কাজ হয়ে আসছে আমি দেখাতে থাকছি। হ্যান্ড পেইন্টিং, কলমকারি থেকে শুরু করে প্লাস আমাদের নতুন স্টক অফ কাতান আর যেটা আপনাদের ক্রেপ বেনারসি কাতান কোরাস সমস্ত প্রসেসে আছে, পলিশ হয়ে এসছে। আমার পার্সেলটা জাস্ট অন দ্য প্রসেস আছে, অন দ্য ইন ট্রানজিট আছে, এলেই আমি ওগুলোকে আপনাদের দেখাতে শুরু করব। তো দেখতে থাকুন, প্রোগ্রামগুলো দেখতে থাকুন। আঁচলটা আরেকবার দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি আমি ক্লোজলি। আঁচল বডি অপূর্ব কাজ, কাজটা তো সুন্দর বলে আমি আরো ঘন করে আপনাকে বারবার করে দেখাচ্ছি যে এত ভালো কাজটা করেছে এটা। এটাও ভারী সুন্দর হয়েছে, ৯৫০০ টাকা। এগুলো সব দেশি তসর, দেশি মানে তাসার বাই টাসার, তো এগুলো মানে ফ্যাব্রিকের রেঞ্জটাই একটু বেশি। আর যার জন্য কি কাজটাও একদম আমার বেস্ট কারিগরকে দিয়ে করানো হয়, যেগুলো একদম দেশি বাই দেশি টাসারে করা হয়, টাই অ্যান্ড ডাই করে একদম নতুনত্ব কনসেপ্ট। দেখুন এগুলো সমস্ত কাজগুলো আপনি দেখবেন নট দ্য একটু অন্যরকম কাজ, a little different work from the regular ones that we see in the market. So this is it's in lovely temple work with geometric border, and again let me show you the tie and dye and the work. Main is the intricacy of the work. See the back side, so neat finish, the intricacy of the work, that the finish. This is the pallu, big pallu. And trust me, all my labors are well paid, so you are you know what to say that the prices depend on a lot of things. This is the blouse piece. And today I can proudly say, even during the 1.5 year almost in the pandemic, none of my weavers are below poverty line. They are well, I mean they are, with your support they are doing well, and they are, you know, even the karigars, the weavers, they are all have been working even during the lockdown. We have not stopped our work. Black and rust, black body. Each and every work is unique. You know, I don't have to say, you just see it for yourself. The work, the embroidery, the quality of the fabric, the close-up, see. Broad border, solid color, black and rust, with multiple paisleys. Rust blouse piece with the border. খুব ক্লোজলি আমি প্রত্যেকটা শাড়ি দেখালাম। ৯৫০০ টাকা, ৯৫০০। দেখুন, আপনাদের আশা করি ভালো লাগবে। বর্ডারটা দেখুন। এবার একটু সোবারে চলে যাই। খুব সোবার কম্বিনেশন, বহু বছর পরা যাবে যারা একদম ন্যাচারাল তসর কালারটার ওপর চাইছেন। এটাও দেশি তসরে, ৯৮০০। 9800। কাজটা দেখুন কি সুন্দর গেছে কাজটা, কম্বিনেশনটা মেনলি পিচ পিঙ্ক অলিভ কম্বিনেশন, 9800। আর তার সাথে এই যে হোয়াইট যে কাজটা থ্রেডটা ইউজ করা হয়েছে, বিকজ অফ দিস হোয়াইট থ্রেড ইট লুকস অ্যাজ ইফ ইটস খাড়ি প্রিন্ট, অ্যান্ড দিস হোয়াইট ইজ হোয়াট আই থিঙ্ক ইজ মেকিং দিস ওয়ার্ক স্ট্যান্ড আউট সো ওয়েল। Today I'm really happy. I mean, I'm really like loving showing you these sarees. Very exclusive work. কাজগুলো যেহেতু একদম নতুনত্ব কাজ, আর কোয়ালিটি অফ দ্য তসর একদম এগুলো দেশিতেই যাচ্ছে, দেশি বাই দেশি। দিস ইজ দ্য ব্লাউজ। এটার সাথে you can wear a pink blouse or an olive green blouse. That look I think better. Of course, tussar blouse will also be, I mean, it'll give an elegant look. Else you can wear a silk pink color blouse. Product number 20. It's a 3D katha. But usually what I do the work in both the panels, the upper and the lower part. This and this is where the work is done. In this I've done in the center panel. All peacock blue-green combination center panel katha. Geometric temple pallu. 8800, 8800. Actually, the combination is so good, that's why I didn't want to block the upper and lower borders. I just did the center panel, so it's giving a different look also. This is the blouse piece. This is the contrast blouse piece woven. Very smart looking. See, with this blouse, this pallu. So when you'll wear it with this blouse, then the pallu and the blouse, the coordination will come. This is in pure silk again. And the price, I think, in case I've missed it out, you can just check it in the description part. It's already being mentioned. Now the one that I'm wearing, it's in tussar, pure tussar, heavy quality tussar with shibori pallu. Earthy look, matte finish, but at the same time it gives a very different look. See the pallu, the border. It's tie and dye shibori pallu, tie and dye border. Both the side will have this border. The neck piece that I'm wearing is 1600. 1600 for the neck piece. This is the sari, and the blouse will be in indigo with the work done. Similar one, I'll show you this one also. This is similar one. Price 7990, 7,900 rupees. Only the embroidery changes. The base color is greyish tussar color. It's a very Ganga Jal color, you can say. This is also a very smart design with indigo shibori in the pallu, and here goes the blouse piece in indigo with border. Even the one that I am wearing, that will also have indigo with work. Pure tussar. And the last two, desi tussar with applique. See the work, applique with all over embroidery. Black, red and natural tussar color, the virgin tussar color in heavy quality. The body, fully worked. blouse. This is the sleeves and that will be the back. So the back and the sleeves will all have work, and this is the sari. Beautiful sari. Product number 21. This is 9,800, product number 21. The last one in this episode. $22. Pure silk. Bangalore silk, pure Bangalore silk. With the bird. Rest half will be in purple. The one which I showed my sari, that was product number 23. It was shown in between. This is product number 22. So the 23 I showed before. So please check out the numbers and the prices. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Purple and turquoise blue. Deep turquoise blue combination with purple. Beautiful work. Just see the work. $8800, 8,800 rupees. 8800. So that's it, friends, for today. Keep watching, keep supporting, and watch out for the next video. Thank you so much. Namaskar.